Our teacher, Jonggi or Sarah, is perfect for this job. She has that engaging personality and the right expertise to share with us who are all interested to learn about Korean cooking. The inclusion of a local market tour made the experience more interesting. The dishes that she made us do seemed very simple and easy to follow, but still very delish. She had a nice walk inside the market. She explained some things about the ingredients we saw and that we would need during the preparation. She made us taste a dessert and taught us some terms in Korean. We prepared some good dishes that we then ate all together. We tasted a typical drink and received photos and recipes at the end of the lesson. A lively, energetic woman, it was a good tourist attraction, but for people who know about Korean food, it can be boring. Still, you learn new things. The market and the person were super friendly. The cooking class was amazing and more than I ever wished for. We got to visit the market to learn all the secrets of the Korean dishes. The teacher, Jonggi, was super friendly and amazing. She would share very good stories to us. I would love to have another cooking class. It was a very nice workshop overall. It was very hands-on, and Sarah was very friendly and helpful. We got to see a traditional market and the products they sell, then we went to her house to cook. While cooking, she also shared interesting bits about Korean culture. I cannot recommend this experience enough. Jonggi was an exceptional host. Very energetic, knowledgeable, and fun. The tour through the market was exciting and I learned so much there, even before we started cooking. The actual cooking part of the experience was perfectly planned out and she made it easy to follow along and execute. The end results were delicious. We also had a really interesting and randomly connected group of people. Jonggi made this a very fun, day. Very engaging person. I was surprised at how amazing the food tasted, better than the restaurants. Very grateful for the recipes so I can cook at home. It's good to have the experience in touring around the local market and trying out local snacks. Learned more about the Korean culture and food culture throughout the whole experience and was very good. The teacher organized everything so well, thus the whole procedure was so smooth and the food was delicious. I had so much fun on this session. Instructor was very lively, helpful and attentive to all of us. I had fun going to the market and learning the history and background of the food and ingredients. Learn a lot from this class. Definitely worth your time and money. Smile. Sarah is an engaging and knowledgeable host. She took us to a local market to shop for ingredients and introducing all the different Korean spices and sauces and culture. We then went to her home to cook 4 delicious dishes. Highly recommend to book to learn ABT Korean. 5 stars for this one. Visiting Manwon Market is an opportunity to see where locals buy their food. We also got to try some local delicacies and that was fun too. The host knows very well to entertain and make everyone comfortable. It was a heartwarming experience to also be welcomed by the host to their home. The food was definitely awesome. Jonggi was amazing and full of energy. The market she walked us through was lovely and very local. Her explanation of different food and local products was really good. The cooking class was so much fun and the recipes we made were easy jet and delicious. Thank you.